The greater good.
Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Tangem Ring wallet. This is a wallet that you can wear right on your finger, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. I'm going to tell you what I like about this, especially with the bull run coming up. I'm sure that you guys know you have to make moves fast when everything starts going crazy in a bull run. I'm going to talk to you about that and much more in this video. If you guys want a discount on a Tangem Ring or a Tangem wallet, use discount code GREATERGOOD, and I will leave a link to Tangem in the description. And let's go ahead and unbox this thing and get right into it. There it is. Look how nice that is. Now for me, this is exactly what I'd want this ring to look like. It's very classy and understated. You won't really notice that this is a Tangem ring. If you're wearing this thing, no one's gonna know that this is a Tangem ring. It looks like just kind of like a wedding band basically. And it comes in all different sizes on the website. You'll see, I'll show on the screen, there's different ring sizes and there's a sizing guide and everything. So this fits me perfectly. The sizing guide worked really well. Let's see what else is in the box. You might be asking yourself, how do I back this thing up? If you've used Tangem cards before, you know, I like the ones that have 3 cards because I know then I have 2 backup cards. So this comes with 2 black Tangem backup cards. If you ever lose this thing, which hopefully you don't because it's attached to your body, then you know you have 2 backup cards. So that's what's in the box. You know, there's a getting started guide, but I'm going to show you step by step real quick. It's very easy. First thing you need to do is turn the NFC on your phone. And this is an Android, whatever you've got, Apple, Android, just turn your NFC on. It looks like that symbol right there. Then once you've turned that on, you need to download the Tangem app. I'm going to go to the Play Store, the Google Play Store, and I'm going to type in Tangem Wallet. And once you do that, I've already downloaded the app. You just click right where it says Tangem and download that app. I'm going to open my app and log in. Okay, and I've already got multiple wallets connected. I'm going to add a new wallet, and I'm going to tap the ring to the back of the phone. And you will see, once you tap it to the back of the phone and hold it there, it will activate this ring and it will start the install process. So yeah, it says success right there. So you can either write down your seed phrases or you can have them generated privately. If you write them down, you have to protect them like it's like real money. You cannot lose those seed phrases. In my case, I just decided to go ahead and let the ring itself create the seed phrase and back it up privately. So now that we've added the ring, we're going to add the 2 backup cards. So click add, and then we will scan the card. See how it says 1 backup device added. You can add 1 more card or ring. So we will add the 2nd backup card. Success. So now we need to finalize the backup process. You create an access code, whatever you want it to be. Don't show anyone. Okay, once you've created your backup code, you're going to need to re-enter your access code. Then hit submit. Now we need to scan each ring or card as it's telling you. Now this will matter the order that you do it in. It will tell you to scan the primary ring. So right now I'm scanning the ring by holding it to the back of the phone. Success. Now we'll need to back up the next card, and it will tell you specifically the last 4 numbers of the card that you're backing up. So make sure you're paying attention and backing up the correct card. And you will hold the card to the back of your phone, just like we did before with the ring. Success. Now let's back up the final card. Make sure you have the correct last 4 digits that they're telling you in the app. And we'll scan the card just like we did the other ones. Hold the card to the back of the phone for the last time. Success. Okay, now we can add some tokens in. So I am just going to show you really quick. It's very easy how to add some coins or tokens. So let's add Bitcoin. It's already in there as the main one. I think they already actually added the main chain for Ethereum. Let's add in maybe like Tether. That's one that's a lot of people use. I use Tron, TRC20 as well. And then we can add something like Solana, the main chain. Now, I'm pretty excited that Kaspa, not only Kaspa is supported by Tangem, but soon the KRC20 tokens like Nacho and Casper will also be supported by the Tangem wallet. So I'm very excited about that. I have Nacho and Casper. Then let's add in Radiant's main chain too. Okay, now that you've selected which coins you want to add to your wallet, hit continue, and then you will have to scan your ring one more time to confirm your choices. Then once you've scanned it, you will see some confetti, and now it's time to transfer some crypto into this wallet. So see how easy that was? The whole explanation took less than 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and talk about why I like this wallet for an upcoming bull run. Okay, now that I've showed you how to set up the Tangem Ring, I want to tell you why I think it could be very important considering that we might be coming up on an epic bull run. It's November of 2024. If history rhymes, maybe it won't repeat itself, but it often rhymes. Nothing I say is financial advice, but we could be coming up on a pretty epic bull run. And if you've been in crypto for any amount of time, you know how volatile it can be. You know that you might be holding a bag and it might pump to the moon, but if you don't sell it at the right time, if you're not able to respond quick enough, you might lose out on a ton of profits. I want to be able to be more nimble on my feet. I have multiple Tangem cards and I have them stored in various locations. I don't always want to keep them on me. I want to keep them safe. So what I like about the Tangem Ring is when things get frothy, you can see how quickly things can happen. Say you're off for business, say you're visiting family, say you're on a vacation and you're away for a week or two. Would you want to be able to have the option to sell or move some of your crypto around at that right time? Let me show you an example of Dogecoin. It's a crazy example, but this is what can happen. It was March and early April of 2021. And I'm showing you right now on the screen, April 6th, 2021, Dogecoin was like 6 cents. And 1 month later, it pumped all the way up to like 70 cents, 68 cents, according to CoinGecko on May 7th of 2021. That's insane. 1 month, it pumped from 6 cents to 68 cents. And guess how quickly it shot back down? It shot back down to 18 cents in about a month. So you have very limited time for some of these coins to catch the frothy top. If you see it getting really frothy and you want to cash out, but you're away from home, say you're on a business trip or something like that, you might want to transfer some of your crypto to your Tangem Ring. And that way you always have it on you. And this is kind of my plan. I don't like keeping all my crypto wallets on me. It doesn't make sense to do day-to-day like tasks and errands. Taking that risk, bringing your cards out with you, I don't want to do that. But when things are going crazy, you'll get nervous. You're going to get nervous when things start running up. If you have a pretty good bag of something, you might want to transfer some of it to like a Tangem Ring. This way you can make your moves faster. That is one of the reasons why I think this Tangem Ring is really cool. Sorry to interrupt your video, but a quick word from the sponsor of the video, Crypto Miner Bros. Crypto Miner Bros is a website that I buy all kinds of different mining equipment from. They have all the different brands and all the top new miners. So check out Crypto Miner Bros and use discount code GREATER for $70 off your order. The link is in the description. The prices you see on the website include shipping to your door. Thanks for listening. Now back to your video. I do transact with crypto. That's another reason why I like the Tangem Ring. I do make purchases with crypto, and sometimes those opportunities pop up. I want to have some of it stored where I can use it. So if I have the Tangem Ring on me and I'm out and about and I see a good deal on something that I want to buy with crypto, I can make that purchase and I can make it quickly. It doesn't mean you have to hold all of your bags on one Tangem Ring. It just means I like to have a little bit of crypto that I can use while I'm out doing things. It doesn't have to be your whole bag. So those are some of the reasons why I think the Tangem Ring is a great option. And it's one of those things you can just add to your toolkit when the bull run goes nuts. I want to have some of my bags available to be sold very quickly. So anyway, I hope the video was helpful to you. I hope that the setup process goes smoothly for you if you decide to get one of these. Don't forget you can use my discount code GREATERGOOD for 10% off of the Tangem Ring or Tangem cards. Check out some of my other videos. I have tons of crypto content. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel, it helps more than you know. And last but not least, don't forget to keep it decentralized for The greater good.
The greater good.